Hello travelers and explorers, welcome back to our channel Wheel Calypso once again. So in India, the summer is here. The bright sunny days may lift our mood up, but it dehydrates our energy and makes our daily course more hectic. At this time, the first thing which comes up in our mind is mountains are calling. Yes, and so I'm Sarani here again for you all with summer special trips. And here goes the first video. Now, of course, it is needless to mention that people like us who loves mountains more than anything in this world can travel to mountains at any point of time. It's just a rucksack packing away, right guys? So, let's jump into the video. You have quite well understood from the title itself that in this video we will share tour plan and local sightseeing details of Darjeeling. Yes, the Queen of Hills. This is a 3 nights and 4 days tour plan and it is NJP to NJP. So what you will get in this video? Possible ways to reach Darjeeling, multiple hotel details at Darjeeling, sightseeing places with details, places to eat at Darjeeling. So, let's start. As I already mentioned, this is a tour plan from NJP to NJP. Let me tell you first how will you reach Darjeeling from here. So from New Jalpaiguri or NJP, you will get share cabs to Darjeeling and these have a quite great availability. Share cabs charges rupees 250 to 300 per person and they will drop you at Darjeeling by 3 to 4 hours. You can also reserve a cab for rupees 2000 to 3000 depending on the car size and of course the season. Try booking a train, bus or flight which takes you to NJP by the early morning so that you can utilize the rest of the day. So here the day 1 of the plan starts considering that you have reached Darjeeling by 10 to 11 in the morning. Steaming, puffing since the year of 1881, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is a world heritage that you should not miss to experience. Take the joyride on steam locos from Darjeeling station to Ghum and back. This takes a total time of 2 to 3 hours. In this ride, you will visit Ghum Museum, Ghum Monastery and Batashia Loop War Memorial. After the joyride, have your lunch at Kunga restaurant. Here you will get amazing Tibetan food. Spend your rest of the day strolling on Mall Road and you can have your dinner at the Glenaries. Start your day 2 with the sunrise at Tiger Hill. After watching the majestic sunrise, visit Japanese temple and Peace Pagoda. After this, try breakfast at Caventer's. Visit Mahakal temple which is at an walking distance from here. Next place to visit from here would be Darjeeling Zoo. Do not miss this one. After zoo, visit Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. From here, go to Lamhata Forest Viewpoint. You can have your lunch on the way and spend your rest of the day at Mall Road once you come back. You may have your dinner today at the Park Restaurant. On the third day, there are few places to visit. In today's list, you must keep Darjeeling Ropeway ride. This ride is beautiful and adventurous too. After this, you must visit Happy Valley Tea Estate, Rock Garden and Dali Monastery. You can have a short food walk till the lunch on day 4. Here are few suggestions for good places to eat at Darjeeling. Washington Restaurant, Sonam's Kitchen, Himalayan Coffee, etc. Start early to catch flight, train or bus, whatever you have booked to return home. Remember, in the hills, you can never get assured time. So this was all about today's summer trip plan, and we are going to come back soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and lots of love and lights from us. And do not miss to let us know how did you like this video. We will wait for your comments.